Meaning of flight.
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 Flight. The term flight generally refers to the act of traveling through the air, typically using an aircraft, such as a plane, helicopter, or balloon. Flights can be commercial or private, domestic or international, and can serve a variety of purposes, such as transportation, leisure, or military operations. The experience of flying can be exhilarating, offering breathtaking views and a sense of adventure, but it can also be stressful or uncomfortable for some individuals. Overall, flight remains an essential mode of transportation and a symbol of human achievement in modern society.